Hello, I'm Forrest Mahan, President of Aiken Technical College, and I welcome you to another edition of Mondays with Mahan. Today my special guest is Dr. Brian Logan, who is the Dean of Health Sciences here at Aiken Technical College, and today Dr. Logan is going to talk about a number of the allied health programs offered here at Aiken Technical College. Dr. Logan, welcome, and talk to us a little bit about some of the programs you offer here at Aiken Technical College.
Thank you, Dr. Mahan. It's a pleasure to be here with you this morning. Before I talk about the actual programs that we have 7 excellent allied health programs here at Aiken Tech. I want to give you a little statistic that just came out. Over the next 10 years, there's an expected growth in allied health professions, 10 to 30% growth. And so what that's going to create is a real supply and demand scenario where that's going to drive up wages, and it's also going to put recent graduates in a position where we don't want to say you're guaranteed a job, but there's a lot of job opportunities out there right now in allied health. So we have 7 programs here. So I just want to talk to you briefly about those and how that works and how you get into these programs. So I'll start with the Emergency Medical Technician, EMS EMT program. You can come to Aiken Tech within a semester, get the prereqs to enter that program and get your basic EMT certificate, which allows you to immediately go to work driving an ambulance and working in that field. Then if you want to continue on with your education, we have advanced EMT, we also have paramedics. And so there's lots of opportunities there. There's a huge demand right now already for that. There's a shortage of EMT and EMS personnel, and so that's a huge thing that we're working on right now, is trying to get folks out there, because as you know, that's important. We also have medical assisting. And that's another big field right now. There's a shortage of medical assistants out there. You know, with COVID and things that are going on, there's a huge demand for that. And that's been driving salaries up for that particular program as well, in that profession. Medical assistants, as you may know, work in doctors' offices, but they also work in hospitals. So the job opportunities are wide and varied. So that's an excellent field too, and that's a growing program we have. Along with that program, we also have medical coding, and we're real excited about this. We have developed a completely online medical coding degree, and so within 1 semester of prereqs, you can enter that program, and within a year, you can sit for your medical coding certificate, and that's something you can do without having to set foot on campus. And you can take your prereqs online, you can take all the medical coding courses online, and you know, medical coding, a lot of folks do that from home anyway, so it kind of fits that, and so we're real excited about that. We've kicked that off, and it's growing already. We've started it this fall. We also have Radiological Technology. Those are the folks that work in hospitals and work in clinics and take X-rays. That's a growing field, and we've got a great reputation in the community with our rad techs, and I think last year they had a 100% graduation and job placement rate, so we're really excited about that program. Now, that program is one of the few allied health programs that does require more prereqs, so that might take up to a year, maybe 2 semesters of prereqs before you can apply to that, and it's very competitive, so you know, you would want to do well in those courses, those prereqs, to apply for that program. We also have surgical technology, which has just moved to an associate's degree. So that again is going to require a few more prereqs than some of the other programs. But surgical technology, again, huge demand for surg techs. Okay, hospitals are calling us daily, begging us to get surg techs out there. So there's a big demand for that, and the salaries are going up for that area as well. We also have dental assisting, which is, we're in the dental assisting lab right now today, and dental assisting is also growing. The program has exploded this semester. We've almost doubled in our students entering that program. It's getting competitive. The job market is, again, with some of the other ones, we have doctors calling. We can't keep enough dental assistants out there. They're begging us to get folks graduated and out there in the dental offices. So again, that's also, when that supply and demand gets like that, it helps the wages go up. So that's a great opportunity. A lot of dental assistant graduates also then later decide to go on and do dental hygiene. Okay, we don't offer that here, but they have that at Augusta University and some other places. So with a lot of the allied health programs, there's lots of room for advancement. And so you can start off in medical assisting, for example. We've had folks go on and become physician's assistants and RNs and things like that. So lots of opportunities to advance. And we also have a pharmacy technician program. So those are the folks that assist the pharmacist, in pharmacies to fill prescriptions and that kind of thing, and consult with patients as well. So, we have a lot of great opportunities here, you apply as soon as possible, get those prereqs out of the way. Some of the programs are more competitive than others, but lots of opportunities for jobs, and like I said, 10 to 30% growth over the next 10 years, that's huge. And so come see us. We're waiting for you.
Dr. Logan, thank you for that overview. Dr. Logan shared with you the variety of programs that we have in allied health. And I think it's important, as he pointed out, to note that these are really good paying jobs. So our mission is to help individuals get into these high wage, high demand jobs in a relatively short period of time. We are in the process of beginning to get ready to register for the spring term beginning October 18th. So if any of these programs appeal to you, please check us out at atc.edu or come see us in person, and we'll be glad to give you a tour of the facilities to help maybe connect you with one of those allied health programs. As Dr. Logan mentioned, those are only going to increase in demand, and therefore the wages will continue to rise as we see our population age, but also come out of COVID-19 and move on to the future. So again, Dr. Logan, thank you for the overview. That was a very good overview of the various programs that we have here. And so we hope that somebody out there looking at this video may reconsider their career path and may come out here to where your path is in reach or your future's within reach, and you can come and visit us at Aiken Technical College. Again, Dr. Logan, thank you for your time.
Thank you.
And this has been another edition of Mondays with Mahan. We look forward to seeing you next week.